Today is 25th of March, Monday. Had a doctor's appointment this morning, all is well. And we got cold front blowing in here in northeast Texas. So far it's dumped 1 inch of rain rather quickly. A lot still draining out there, but it is draining. So anyway, before I started rolling my own cigarettes, I just bought some of my Pall Mall Reds in a carton and been sitting on the countertop. I don't want them to get too old, so I've been opening up and smoking a pack every now and again. And it seemed like they were smaller than the ones I rolled for myself. So got out my dial caliper. These are the ones that I rolled. This is the factory roll. You can tell the difference just putting them side by side, but actual measurement, the cigarettes I roll using the 4 Aces filter tubes are 0.320 in diameter, and the Pall Mall factory cigarettes are 0.289 in diameter, roughly a 10% difference. So the factory cigs have shaved their diameter by 10%, save on tobacco. And if you're rolling 100 million cigarettes a year, they're saving the equivalent of 10 million cigarettes worth of tobacco. A pretty healthy difference. And I got different flavored tobaccos came in. I got an OHM Bold, and this OHM Natural was my preferred so far. I used one of those already. Just wasn't quite there. So the folks at Windy City Cigars recommended the Bold. Give it a try. So, all right. So I'll roll up some more of those. My Kentucky blend, I got about 2/3 of a bag left, and I don't think I'm going to use that. The flavor is just not right for me. And but yeah, it's interesting that the factory cigarettes are decreasing their diameter. Of course, I ain't gonna tell nobody, they're still called king size. And, believe it or not, back there in the back by the big door, I had to turn on my barrel heater. I got soaking wet coming into the building. And the temperature inside the building was 64. And I can be cold or I can be wet. When I'm cold and wet, I'm pretty much miserable. So I'll stay up here and roll some more cigs, finish emptying out my truck, and then be an early day for me. There ain't nothing else I can do. The garden is way too wet to do anything with. It's about time to plant my direct sown seeds, but I'm not going to go out there wading in the mud to do it. So I'll let dry out a few days. Next 2 or 3 days it's supposed to be clear, sunshiny days. Anyway, that's about all for this one. Thank you.